Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Sam. I'm going to talk about the very interesting software that you can create the ebooks, but not only the ebooks, but also you will have the contents and everything automatically. So this software, as you see, it's an all-in-one software with the 50 unique ebook templates, with the 14 or 15 for profitable niche categories that you can see. Also, you can create the automatically content, and you can also create the tables automatically, and you can have automatically header and footer that you can do, and also you can have automatic page numbering. You can drop and drop design if you wish to make your own design, and you can add unlimited pages. Now you can add your media. You can have fully customizable ebook, and with more than 300 plus Google fonts that you can use in your design, and also more than thousands stock library. So there is a program that inside it's help you to sell if you want to purchase that. And there is a client management for that, so you can start your agency, you can sell where you can sell, and also it gives you the free agency website and commercial rights. So as a free commercial license that you can use to sell your items or ebooks to the other businesses. Now here I'm going to talk to two different people: the people who wants to have their own websites and the own agency, and to start the sales, and also internet marketers that I know that I had the same issue, that we always wants to have something to give to our customers, and when they buy and they need some some kind of the help or bonuses. So you can create your bonuses with this ebook and offer to your customers, or give as a bonus. Okay, here on the website that you can see, there are some explanation and video that you can use, and it's giving you the options that to understand what is that, and how you can make on a video on the ebook. And there's a video that's showing how to you can profit with that. I just want to make sure that you can do lots of things with this software, because you can create the ebook, and you can create a squeeze page and capture the emails from the customers that you can use in future to sell other products, to send them an email. You can outsource in the websites like a Fiverr and a Conquer, and also you can give away to your customers as a gift, as a bonus, as thank you page. And as I said, that you can attract more people to subscribe to your blog or to your website by giving the different ebooks. Now as you see that there's unlimited pages, so that means that you can create as much as you want, and you are not limited to some pages, specific pages, the numbers. And there are more than 50 ready to use templates. That is great. So if you don't have any idea or you don't have a time, you can use one of these templates and you know, boom, in 60 seconds you can create the ebook with the complete content inside. The software goes and you know, find the contents and create that for you. There are more than thousands different articles inside the, you know, Sqribble and Sqribble, sorry. There are thousands different articles inside the Sqribble, so you can use those if you want to create your, you know, ebook. And this ebook can be automatically create everything for you from the, you know, content, you know, writing, you know, just give you all the pictures, anything you want, all of them. I mean, even the pictures, there are thousands different pictures you can use, or you can bring your own media. So right now it shows as a $67, and I know that at this moment there's a discount that if you go to the link that I put on there, you will see the discount coupon there. And so you can easily use that and to create your ebooks. And also there is a demo here that you can find it, and you know, you never need to, you know, lose hours to writing a content from scratch. Honestly, if I had this before, that was a great software, and I was able to use in less than 60 seconds to create my ebook with the content and you know, use in my business. So it is up to you if you want to purchase or not, but as I said, this is one of the good softwares I see, and really it is very useful. And you can, as I said, create the outsourcing. You can do same time to create the squeeze page or landing page and give away this ebooks, and at the same time you can even outsource in the outsource platforms. And it shows that the regular price is $197. So right now in a special launch, it's going to be launched on the 2nd November. So and a special launch for that reason is $67 one time. But as I said, that you will have a $40.20 off coupon if you go to the links that I put on the down in the below on the below the video, so you can see that. So just want to let you see it's very easy. You just pick one template that you have from the 50 templates. Then the second stage, you find your content and put there. If you can't, so you can also fill the books with the you know, the selection of the 1000 instant niche articles from their built-in content engine, and put of a single button and you can create the this ebook. So as I said, you can upload yours if you want, and I mean your contents if you want, and the step 3, just customize some pictures and colors if you want, whatever you want, and just hit the generate and you are done. Now these are the examples you see here, and we go there and see that from a different perspective. Let's see here. So of course you can sell more ebooks at the higher price if you want. If you have available content and you want to sell them as an ebook, that is the best option for even writers that they sell on the Amazon. And I strongly suggest you to have this software, because it's a huge help. And you can see that there are different style, and just want to make sure that you don't need any Photoshop or any kind of the design software to do that. Everything is automatically doing, and automatic table contents also, it's created in different model as you see here. You can create as much as you want in the different ways. And also you will have a different style design footer and header, and the page also you can put as much as you want. You can have the drag and drop technology, so you can change if you want to do some customized one if you wish. And I mean, it is fully customized, and you can create the unlimited pages and the design elements that there you can use. And absolutely, this is one of the easiest and fastest way to make ebooks. And as you see, these are the examples here. And also in the upgrades, just want to make sure that you know in the upgrades there one option that you can create even 3D ebooks as a graphic. That is amazing. And just want to make sure to give you to see that. So there's 4 auto pages that you can purchase. The first one that we talked, and the second one is the adding more, you know, templates and much more options with the design. And the thing that I was talking about is the 3D is this one, and honestly said that this is one of the best things that you can purchase. If you want to have you know, to learn how to make a sell and you know, where to sell, auto job finder that can find you, you know, offers across the internet, and you can offer them this you know, your ebook offer. I hope this was useful. That if you want, just click on the button below to go to the sales page. And I just want to let you know that this is one of the very useful software. And really, if you are internet marketer, really this will help you. And if you are a outsourcer and you're, you know, freelancer, and you just offer the outsourcing service, that is also great for you. And without hesitation, I think you should find that a useful software. Now it is up to you if you want to purchase or not, but I'm saying that this will be some value adding to your portfolio. That being said, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, so in future if I have other useful softwares, I will bring on the review here. Now, as I mentioned, there is 3 places that I think after you purchase immediately you can offer and you can sell the ebooks. The first one is Fiverr. As you see that I just put the results for the ebook, and you can see that this one is selling the ebook with the you know, content inside for $165.34. The reason you see like this, and this is a C because I'm Canada, so it's a Canadian dollar, so I think it's something around $120. And I see you the other ebook, just the design of cover and you know, templates, and it's giving just for $82.67. So I think is something about $60. So what I'm going to say you, I'm telling you is that you can have you know, your offer immediately on the Fiverr, and by competing with this prices to giving with the, you know, very small fees like $10 or $15 or even $5, you can you know, create some portfolio and reviews for yourself very fast here. The second one is Conquer, that you can see here, and as you see, just I will design a high quality professional 3D ebooks cover, $97. So if you have that 3D ebook cover, you can, you know, I have to charge them $97. I will design an amazing premium 2D ebooks for $97. So this is the second one, is Conquer. And the third one is Zirk, and you can use also this one to create the ebooks and album covers and ebooks, and you can sell there. So these are three websites that you can register very fast after you purchase, and immediately you can put just click create some ebooks, and after that just put the pictures on the Zirk, Conquer and Fiverr. So start to make some money, so you will recover the payments you made to the ebooks very fast. Thanks and take care. Until next time.